Today we're assembling the Stromberg Carlson EH step. There are two models, the EH 102 at 21 inches high and the EH 103 at 28 inches high. To assemble these steps, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, recommended using a short flathead screwdriver, and a 7/16 box end wrench. Check your carton content. You have a platform and the proper number of steps for whichever model you purchase. You'll also include two uprights and a handrail, lock open braces, and your proper hardware. Lay them out, make sure that the tape is on the lead edge of the tread prior to assembly. At this point, turn everything over for assembly. All the uprights have a slight emboss at the very top of the upright. Those will fit inside the notch. Once you have all of them lined up, at that point, we'll get the lock open brace and the hardware ready. Starting with the back of the first tread, place a fastener with a lock open brace in between, like so. Once the first tread is assembled, you can fold it out of the way. Take the second tread, insert the bolt. The truss head should always be on the outside so that when these treads come across, the truss head is between them. Insert the lock open brace between the tread and the upright on the back side. Hold it together. When you spin on the knot, once you get a few threads on, you can let go. Fold back. Out of the way, and repeat. Now you've got 1, 2, 3 more bolts to attach, and then you'll also need to secure immediately before you do anything else. You should grab 2 bolts and 2 nuts before you even do anything else, and secure a couple lock open braces before you move forward on this. This is probably the most concerning part about this assembly, and it needs to be emphasized as dangerous if not done properly. And then we stress that it has to be done in this order. When they go to open this, they can step on this platform here, grab both legs, and open it just like this.
and switch steps. Okay, don't move, but then take a bucket. And just set a bucket. And before anything else happens now, before they do anything else, take a lock-up brace. Do not get a foot inside here. The bucket's there. Before they step off this, we recommend they stick a block of wood in here. What we want them to do is come in here, take the bolt while they're standing on it, align a lock-open brace, tighten it down here, and then again, do the same thing. And if they can do more than two, that would be great. If they get off this, we'd like them to secure as many lock-open braces as possible. Now, that being said, they still have to go through and attach these 3 uprights. They have to be done before this step is safe. But they also have to do all of these lock-open braces on the inside before this step can be used. And we want a block of wood in here. Those are key features. We put the bucket on the end to guard against any accidental fall. Tighten it down. You should come back and tighten it with a wrench. While you're doing this, bolt, secure all the lock-open braces all the way across. This one, you still need to get this upright now. And then we're going to come in here and get this one done. I'll line that one. Once you get all the lock-open braces on, then go through and tighten everything down. Just going to always want to remember, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 per step. Have to be checked and tightened before this gets turned over to attach this, so you can mount it on the right or the left side of the step. It's up to you which side you mount it to. And at Stromberg, you have to finish by putting the bolt on.